Write a balanced symbol equation for the reaction of potassium with iodine. Okay, so to do this, you need to reach for a periodic table because we've got to get the formula right. Okay, so potassium first. Potassium, let's identify where potassium is on the periodic table. Potassium is here in group 1. So it's a metal, so it's going to hang around on its own when it's an element. So we can just write the symbol, which was K, plus iodine. So we need to find iodine. Iodine is over here, and as you can see already, I've shaded off 7 elements, and 6 of them are in the shape of the number 7 to help us remind us which they are. The 7th, of course, is hydrogen up here. But iodine is one of those 7. Those 7 elements always exist as diatomic molecules. In other words, there's 2 of them, they pair up in a molecule. So that's K plus I2. That would get you 1 mark. Arrow, potassium iodide. Is what's going to be made. So potassium's group 1, so that's going to form the K plus ion because it's in group 1, it's got 1 electron in its outer shell, it's going to lose 1 electron, so hence K plus. Iodine's over here in group 7, so that's got 7 electrons in its outer shell, so it's going to gain 1 to make the I minus ion. So K plus and I minus, those charges are equal and opposite, so the formula of potassium iodide is going to be Ki. The standard wrong answer is when people go add these two together and make Ki2, which is of course complete nonsense. That very rarely, if ever works. And if it does work, it's only coincidence. The way you have to do it is identify what group of the periodic table they're in and what charges the ions form. So that's your second mark, Ki. Balancing this equation now, 1K there, 1K there, balanced. 2 I's there, only 1 there, not balanced. Put a big 2 before the I. Okay, do not put a little 2 there. Putting a big 2 there before the K unbalances the K, so I've got 1K over here now and 2 Ks here, so I'm going to need 2 Ks there. All these questions and more on ayleshamhighchemistry.com.